Also, real quick, we're just gonna change out this air filter real quick. Just push these two little tabs back here off, and then this thing will come up and out of the way. Then you can pull this air filter out right here. That one's not too bad. Pretty dirty, but not too bad. Throw that away. We'll add a new Wix filter here. Wix filter, part number 46935 at O'Reilly's Auto Parts. Alright. Look at that nice clean filter. Ooh, isn't that way better? Alright, notice. Maybe we get some leaves down there first. Clogging up quick. Get all that out of there. Shove the little edges down over here on this side and push it down. On the back side. Alright, that was easy. Then we just put these clips on. Bam. And one more back there. This guy. Boom. He's in there. He's in there. We changed out the air filter. It took us less than 2 minutes.